Hello, everyone. I hope you're all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has strong life lesson. It has also simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start. In a small town called Vadnagar in India, a young boy named Narendra lived with his family. His family was not rich. They lived in a small house and worked hard every day to earn a living. As a child, Narendra helped his father sell tea at a railway station. Every morning, he watched trains arrive and leave. Passengers came from different places. Some were rich, some were poor. Some carried big dreams. Young Narendra observed them carefully. Even at a young age, he was curious about the world. He loved reading books. He enjoyed learning about history, leaders, and great personalities. While many children spent their free time playing, Narendra often spent hours reading and thinking. Deep inside, he felt he wanted to do something meaningful for society. As he grew older, Narendra became interested in helping people. He participated in social activities and community work. He believed that service to people was one of the greatest purposes in life. But his journey was not easy. He came from a humble background. He had no powerful family connections, no wealth, no special advantages. Many people would have accepted an ordinary life. But Narendra had a strong determination. He worked tirelessly and spent years traveling across different parts of India. He met farmers, he met workers, he met students. He listened to their struggles and learned from their experiences. Those years taught him important lessons about leadership and public service. Over time, Narendra became involved in politics. At first, very few people knew his name. He worked quietly behind the scenes. Day after day, year after year, his dedication and organizational skills earned him respect. Eventually, he was given bigger responsibilities. Then came an important turning point. Narendra became the chief minister of the Indian state of Gujarat. It was a huge opportunity. He focused on development, infrastructure, and administration. Many people noticed his energy and commitment. His popularity continued to grow, but success also brought criticism and challenges. Leadership is never easy. Every major decision brings both supporters and opponents. Yet Narendra continued moving forward. He remained focused on his goals. Then came the historic year of 2014. India held a national election. Narendra Modi campaigned across the country. He traveled tirelessly. He spoke to millions of people. His message of development and progress attracted widespread attention. When the results were announced, history was made. The boy who once helped sell tea at a railway station became the Prime Minister of India. Millions of people found inspiration in that journey. From humble beginnings to one of the highest offices in the country. But Narendra's story was not simply about politics. It was about perseverance. It was about hard work. It was about believing that your starting point does not determine your destination. Throughout his career, he often emphasized discipline, dedication, and service. His life showed that big dreams can begin in small places: a railway station, a small town, a simple family. Narendra Modi's story teaches us something powerful. You do not need to be born into wealth to dream big. You do not need perfect circumstances to achieve success. What matters is determination. What matters is continuous effort. So, if your goals seem far away, if your background feels humble, if people doubt your potential, remember Narendra Modi. A young boy helping at a tea stall grew up to lead the world's largest democracy. Dream big, work hard, stay disciplined, and never let your circumstances limit your ambitions. Because sometimes the journey from a small town to a great destiny begins with one simple step. Your beginnings may be small, but your dreams can be as big as the world.